Hello! Have the S-Tech from the video last night of me picking it, and I decided to go ahead and gut it. So I cut her in half. I'm going to keep a half, and then here's the other half of it. I smoothed off the edges, and let's go ahead and gut it. I'm not sure whether this thing has a sidebar or not after I got it cut in half. I don't see a slot running down the side, but you can hear it sounds like a sidebar, so I don't know. We shall soon find out. These luckily just have the C-clips and not the C-clips on them, so it's not going to be a problem to get it apart or get it back together. So now I have two C-Techs instead of one, but only one key. Maybe I can get it off. Oh yeah, there we go. Clips off. Now we'll carefully take the key. Gonna turn it to, don't even know where. Maybe about right there. Who knows? We'll see. Not bad. Oops, I'm dropping something. And it does have a sidebar. All right. Okay. So here we have our 10 key pins. Try to hold them in place. Over there is 4 sliders, and on the ass end of it is a sidebar. So let's get into her a little bit here and see what we got. Try to keep these in order, and they look a lot like the let me see, the Kaba, or there's number 2. Yeah, the Kaba pins. The Kaba, let me think here. Oops, I dropped one from that side. That one goes on that side. That one's number 3 on that side. One of the Kabas I took apart had pins that look like this. That's all I'm trying to say, I guess. Okay, there's all the key pins. So now we're turn around here and remove the sidebar and sidebar springs. Don't want to lose those. And now for the sliders. There they are. Now I'll take them out. Looks a lot like a scorpion slider with false gates in it. Or one false gate in that one. The next one has a false gate also. I'll get you some close-ups of these pins here in a second. Third one's got a false. The fourth one has a false. There should be some springs in here also for the sliders. Yep. And there's the slider springs. We'll line them up over here. 2, 3, and 4. All right. So there's the plug. Got all 10 holes there. Anti-drill pin in the front. It's the bottom. There's the slot for the sliders. And there's the slider holes. Now let's look at what we have for top pins. put these down. Let's see. Hopefully they're all the same size. Yeah, the drivers look to be all standard, all the same size. Yep, there's all 10 of them, and the springs are huge. All 10 springs. So if you can see inside there. My light. You can see the slot in the bottom of it for the sidebar. Nothing on the sides, and then there's, of course, the 10 holes for the top pins. Let's see if I can use my magnifier here. Maybe. Or just use the camera. That's what it's for. See if I can zoom in and get a decent shot of these pins. Okay, there's a slider. You can see it's got the true gate, the big deep one at the bottom, and then the false gate, the smaller one at the top. On all of them, and then all the key pins. You can see there's one row of 5 and the second row of 5. So good deal. It did have a sidebar, which is cool. So kind of like a cheap, I guess, Multi-Lock 5 Plus, since it does have the sidebar in it. They don't look very well made. The notches look like they're all kind of, I don't know, not straight, I guess, but it does its job. It took a while to pick it. There's the key again. Oops, I'm still zoomed way in. So the key and the plug, and that's about it. Have any questions or comments, let me know. If anybody wants to give this a try once I get it back together, let me know. I'll send you a half without a key, and you can give her a go. So thanks for watching.